morning and welcome to this week's edition of the CE Chat. I'm actually the acting chief executive this week while Sonia Marshall is enjoying her daughter's wedding this coming weekend. So we're going to have a fabulous week, and today we're going to talk all things corporate services. At the end of October, we hosted our first corporate services conference at the Macarthur Clinical School with the theme We Are the Future. And we had more than 90 people attend that conference, which was a fantastic turnout for its inaugural session. Today I have Kara and Renuka, who will introduce themselves shortly and tell us about the day. So Kara, can you introduce yourself, and can you also talk to the district about the importance of corporate services and the role that they play in providing vital healthcare to our population?
Thanks, Karen. Yeah, hi, I'm Kara. I'm the newly appointed Associate Director of Corporate Operations, which is a position that sits within the Operations and Performance team and broadly looks at corporate functions across the district. Karen, I think corporate is such a diverse workforce and so many services, and I think they play such a vital role in everything to do with our health service. And I think it ranges from those services that we see every day, so our cleaners and our wardies and our security, through to those ones that are a little bit more in the background, so things like our medical records team and our coders, which we don't see so often but just play such an important role. And I think the really exciting thing at the moment for our corporate services is the greater recognition that they're getting. So we'll have Ren talk from our EODS team, which is, really corporate focused, but we also have things. We've had our corporate services days that have been going on for a few years, our corporate conference, which we're excited to have, and looking at our corporate framework for us. So it's really exciting times in our corporate world.
Awesome, thanks Kara. And Ren, can you tell us what you do, and can you tell us some of the highlights from the corporate conference?
Hi, my name's Ren and I'm Manager of Corporate and Support Services for the district. And for me, there were three main highlights of the conference. The first highlight was the true representation of corporate services from across the district. And we really looked at the future of corporate services, but also how the corporate services work impacts patients every day. The second thing was just it showcased the best from the district, but also statewide. So we had data experts, we had multiculturalism, Rod O'Donnell talking about redevelopment, and Dr. Nathan Moore and his virtual reality session was a hit. And the third thing that really brought the whole day home from me was just the networking and the conversations that were happening throughout the day. And we had an amazing Q&A with all the Director Corporate Services at the end. But to hear those conversations happening outside after was really inspiring. So we're looking at key takeaways and a 2025 conference as well. So that's exciting.
Fantastic. And Ren, you really should be congratulated for all the effort that you put in organising the corporate conference. So well done. Thanks both Kara and Ren for joining me today. So just a few other announcements for this week. So tomorrow, Tuesday the 19th of November, is International Men's Day, and I want to take this moment to celebrate all the men in their diversity and acknowledge the range of social and health issues that men face each and every day. I encourage you all to take care of yourself and your health and reach out if you require any support. And that includes using our staff wellbeing and support service. Wednesday the 20th of November is Transgender Day of Remembrance, where we honour the memory of lives lost from anti-transgender violence. Finally, you're all welcome to join us next Monday for our annual public meeting. The meeting registration is on the link attached. I hope you all have a fantastic week, and we're headed straight into Christmas. So continue your preparation, and I look forward to seeing you around the corridors of all of our hospitals and services as the week goes by.